Hi, I'm Sandy Hirschline, welcoming you to another Siemens How2Drive video with the goal of helping you better understand and work with Siemens variable frequency drives and related motion products. This is the second video introducing the SINAMICS S120 high performance and servo drives in book size format. If you are not already familiar with the SINAMICS S120, you might want to go back and watch the previous intro video to help with the basics. A link to that video is available in the space directly below this video. To show you how to assemble the book size system, here is Craig Nelson, Product Manager of SINAMICS S Drives for Siemens Industry USA.
Thanks, Andy. In any SINAMICS S120 multi-access system, we have three primary components. The control unit, which is the brains of the system. Then we have the line module, which converts the incoming three-phase power into a common DC bus. Next, we have one or a series of motor module inverters, which is connected to the common DC bus and supplies power out to the motors. Although we're showing them physically mounted together for convenient arc flash compliance, it's also common for the control unit, where the user interfaces are located, to be mounted in a low voltage cabinet away from the line and motor modules. A key benefit of the SINAMICS S120 system is its self-configuration capability made possible with Siemens DriveClick, a feature offered in SINAMICS S120 components and many Siemens motors. Basically, DriveClick is the flexible backplane for the S120 system, allowing an easy and flexible way to connect all components together. DriveClick uses an Ethernet physical layer and is a dedicated real-time communication protocol supporting different topologies, providing fast and easy connectivity back to the control unit. The S120 system reads all the electronic nameplates of the components and self-configures the system, greatly reducing parameterization and unforced programming errors. Motors with DriveClick send both the nameplate data as well as encoder feedback over the same cable. If the motor has a DriveClick encoder, just connect it back to its motor module. If the motor does not have DriveClick, the encoder is typically connected to an SMC module and then brought into the S120 system via DriveClick. Additional modules, such as failsafe I/O and pulse emulation, are available and easily integrated into the system as well via DriveClick. Motor power connections are made at the lower side of the motor modules. This is also where the shield connection is made. Next, we want to connect together the DC bus, which is located behind the hinged teal covers. Just use the links provided with the units to connect the DC bus together. The screws should be tightened to the torque specs listed in the S120 manual. The 24-volt DC power is also located behind the hinged teal covers. An adapter is used to supply the rails, and then by using the supply jumpers, power is connected to each motor module. Before closing the teal covers, observe where the end covers will be needed. A compact flash card containing the parameters, firmware, and any license is installed in the control unit. Having all of this on the compact flash card makes for an easy serviceable system. If an S120 component needs to be changed, you don't need to do any reprogramming or update the firmware. The compact flash handles all of this for you. A basic operator panel may also be mounted on the control unit. And that's the basic assembly of a SINAMICS S120 multi-access system in book size format.
Thanks, Craig. For more information on SINAMICS S120 drives, please visit usa.siemens.com/SINAMICS-S120. Thank you for watching, and please drive carefully.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.